Good evening, classmate. Good evening, sir. This is the report of Group 3, the requirements for the tour guiding. Next, please. Tour guide job description. Learn about the key requirements, duties, responsibilities, and skills that should be in a tour guide job description. Tour guide description templates. We are searching for a vibrant tour guide to join our established company. The tour guide's responsibilities include planning itineraries, familiarizing customers with locality by vehicle or foot, and ensuring that the group remains safe all at all times. You should also stay up to date with new attractions that may be of interest to customers. Tour guide responsibilities. Greeting and welcoming customer to the tour, informing customer about itinerary of for each tour, planning itineraries in accordance with weather forecast and the length of each tour, scheduling visit and purchasing tickets to museums, galleries, protected parks, and other attractions ahead of time if required, planning alternate activities in the event that cancellation, closures, or weather prohibit you for attending scheduled event, gathering and maintaining the requisite equipment for each tour, familiarizing yourself with the layout and the history of the region or establishment which is will be working, familiarizing customers with its region or establishment, encouraging guests to apply sunscreen regularly and to remain hydrated if applicable, directing customer to other non-competing services that might be of interest to them. Tour guide requirements. High school diploma or equivalent prior experience as tour guide is advantageous. Capacity to stand and walk for extended periods. Adherence to prescribed safety codes, excellence, conversational skill with knack or storytelling, personal humorous disposition, outstanding organizational time management, and improvisational skills, passionate about traveling, ability to work during evenings and on weekend. Next, please. Next reporter, please.
Basic competences: participate in works, communications, 6 hours, work in team environment, 3 hours, practice, career, professionalism, 3 hours, practice, occupational health and safety procedure, 6 hours. Common competences: develop and update industry knowledge, 2 hours, observe work hygiene procedures, 2 hours, perform computer operations, 6 hours, perform workplace and safety practices, 2 hours, provide effective customer service, 6 hours. Core competences: research information relevant to tour itinerary, 40 hours, management arrangement for visitor, 6 hours, company and guide visitor in accordance with the tour guide itinerary, 6 hours. Sightseeing guides physical demands. Tour guides frequently stand for long periods of time, walk or run for long period of time. It is important for tour guides to be able to speak clearly so listeners can understand. See details of objectives that are more than a few feet away. Understand the speech of another person. See details of objects that are less than a few feet away. It is not as important but still necessary for tour guides to be able to use stomach and lower back muscle to support the body for long periods without getting tired. Be physically active for long periods without getting tired or out of breath. See differences between color shades and brightness. Focus on one source of sounds and ignore others. Pay for tour guides vary depending on how many hours they work. Tour guides usually earn up to 60,000 a year. Tour guides are usually self-employed and work on short-time term in contracts. Many tour guides do not work all of the years. Tour guides may do some or all of the following: escort people on trips or tours, including tours into natural areas, describe and explain points of interest on the trip or tour, arrange entry to places such as museums, government buildings, and exhibitions, answer questions and give out written information, arrange or prepare meals and accommodation, drive a bicycle such as bus or coach, act as an interpreter, market their business if it is privately owned tour company. Next po. Next reporter.
Skills and knowledge. Tour guides need to have knowledge of the area they cover and its feature or attractions, knowledge of New Zealand culture, history, society, geography, flora, and fauna, knowledge of other cultures, good driving skills, leadership, and public speaking skills. Working condition tour guides may work a 40-hour week, do shift work including evenings and weekends, work part-time or work only during this peak season, may work outside in all weather conditions or inside a museum or other attraction, may travel for their job locally or nationally. Next. Tour guide licensing system between 5 Southeast Asian nations: Taiwan, Thailand, Cambodia, Myanmar, and Philippines. If you want to become a tour guide, understanding the tour guide licensing system of your country is a must. Have you found all the necessary information? Are you still scanning through several websites under the pressure? Check out this article. My Pro Guide has helped you collected the important information about tour guide license requirements of 5 Southeast Asian countries: Taiwan, Thailand, Myanmar, the Philippines, and Cambodia. If any of those countries is what you are looking for, the chart below will surely assist you on the way of developing as a comprehensive tour guide. Why do you need a license to be a tour guide? You may know one need a license to be a tour guide in tourism, but why? It seems that become a tour guide is primarily predicated on passion for traveling, since your guest looking for a knowledge and multilingual tour guide aside during their trip. The occupation requires far more than just passion as building your long-term credibility in tourism. Next reporter.
Tour guiding license requirements or qualifications. Taiwan, Certificate of Senior High School, pass through the relevant special exam, have at least 4 years job experience, pass through the relevant high of intermediate exam. Taiwanese national are required to meet one of the 3 requirements. Foreign national are required to meet one of the first 2 requirements. Next one is Thailand. Thai nationality no less than 20 years old must have a domicile of origin of residence in Thailand, not being bankrupt, not being declared incompetent or lunatic individual. Your license have not been revoked 5 years before the current application. Myanmar, Certificate of Senior High School. Philippines, Filipino national or permanent residents, at least 18 years old, no any crime records, mentally and physically fit. Cambodia, Cambodian nationality, at least 18 years old. Next one. Application procedure. Taiwan certification exam. Period of validity, 3 years. Examination application period, March of every year. Examination application fee is 150 TWD or 4.87 USD. Thailand, that organized courses, certification exam, 2 years, unfixed period, government fee 300 to 500 TBH or 9.59 or 15.99 USD. Myanmar entrance exam, 2 months tour guide courses, certification exam, 2 years, July and December every year, 3,000 MMK or 2 USD. Philippines, tour guide training, seminar by Department of Tourism, certification exam, document application, 2 years, unfixed period, 5,000 pesos or 95.73 USD. And lastly, Cambodia, relevant courses, certification exam, documents application, 2 years, February and October every year, and 250 KHR 62.5 USD. Next. It is necessary to be a licensed tour guide. So, freelance tour guide's job. So, the difference between freelance and licensed tour guide is that license obtain a certification or what we call license from government or tourism authority. While freelance tour guide, optionally, yung certificate sa kanila. At the same time, hawak nila yung time nila. While licensed tour guide usually employed by a company or tourism industry. And meron silang benefits such as insurance and retirement plan and job security. Next one. Thank you. Next reporter.
Job responsibilities. As a freelance guide, you are responsible for anything and everything that the tour entails. If you're going to work for yourself, you need to know the inner workings of just about every part of the tour. That means that you are the tour guide, the tour escort, the tour manager, and the operations manager. Wait lang pa. Your job will start as at the top with the job of the operations manager, planning the tours, calling up contacts, visiting sites, and putting together the itinerary. In summary, a freelance guide must wear multiple hats, managing everything from detailed planning to on the ground execution, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience for the guest. Next one. Job requirements. Most of the freelance tour guides around these days have spent their early years as permanent tour guide for tour companies. This is the best way to start out as you will make a name of yourself and create a network that you can tap into when you become a freelancer. This is the direction most guides want to go as they have more flexibility and more charge more and can charge more. But it is also beneficial for our companies. It means that they don't have to pay someone a full-time salary for a job. That is sporadic. Sporadic. The will only pay you can per hour basis when they need to your specific skill set. In summary, starting a permanent tour guide helps helps gaining essential experience, building a network, and establish a reputation. Transitioning to freelance officer, greater flexibility and potential higher earnings, will providing tour companies and cost-effective and specialized services. Next po. Training and degrees. Will most tour companies want to know you before they hire you as a freelance tour guide? If you are a proven track record and you can show that You can have what it takes. You may just land your first job as a freelance tour guide. You will want to make sure that you know the areas that are being offered in different companies, tour guide, package, although these are generally similar within a city. In summary, um, will, while prior relationship with, with tour companies can be beneficial, having a solid record of past achievements and knowing tour areas will also help secure freelance. Salary and benefits. When it comes to benefits, the freelancer loses out into a big, you're not a permanent employee of any company. So you will not be offered any type of health insurance, pension or dental. If you're looking for the type of benefit and still want to work as a freelancer, you will have to make sure that your fee covers that cost. In summary, as a freelancer, you miss out on traditional employee benefits like health insurance, pensions, and dental care. To manage these necessities, you need to set your rates in a way that allows you to pay for these benefits independently. Next po. Please read carefully and agree to the following articles prior to launching this tour guide service. Definition. My pro guide is a professional tour guide center, a internet platform to match the tour guide and tourist. The tour guide are qualified with certificate by government or official organization. Tour guide is allowed to launch the tour services, and their services can be purchased by anyone. TG may utilize their travel profession skills.
Selected guide. Number one, to ensure the qualities of tour guide on MyProGuide, the outstanding tour guide will be marked as selected guide. Number two, MyProGuide will intensely increase visibility for tour guide and the service launched by selected guide will be prioritized in terms of promotion. Number three, each tour guide may submit an application for selected guide. MicroGuide will arrange in charge person for interview. The interview result will be announced on MicroGuide 14 days upon the interview. 4. MicroGuide will provide personal business card and personal photography for such selected guide. Next po. Rules for content of the service. 1. All the tour guides are free to launch the services provided that no violation of laws or micro guide rules occurs. 2. The place for the service is limited in one specific location, one specific visit spot, or one specific shopping mall. Within a day, MicroGuide will issue notice for removing suggestion or cancel such launch service if there is any violation. 3. The all services shall be proceeded in English first and in other foreign language as supplement. 4. Tour guide should ensure authenticity of any services without any exaggeration or any unreal matters. Number 5. For better illustrations and diagram and to ensure all diagrams with the original meaning microguide is entitled to adjust and modify parts of the content of service without tour guide's prior consent. Number 6. Tour guide shall guarantees that all contents of the service on MicroGuide do not involve duplication, copy, recording, or video, and any other ways to infringe intellectual 7. It is necessary for tour guide to confirm the date of the service and the complete setting and meeting point on such personal web page. After both of tour guide and tourist confirms the date of the service and complete the purchase, tour guide shall not refuse to provide the service or tour guide account will be suspended. Number 8. To ensure tourist has realized the service provided by tour guide in detail. Tour guide shall spontaneously mention danger, safety, activities, and predictable or unpredictable might occur in the services. Next step. Rules governing tour guide. Tour guide needs to provide the service on time after tourist confirms the purchase of the services in tour guide. Did not provide the service, the non-compliance will be recorded in tour guide's which is not allowed the service fee for absence. If there are absences in 1 year, MyProGuide will cease such tour guide's right to access MyProGuide. However, such tour guide may resubmit an application after half year upon session and MyProGuide reserves the, the right to consent to or refuse such application. Number 2. If tour guide is unable to provide service, such tour guide shall inform microguide and tourists within 20 another tour guide who registered in microguide with same condition as those of the original tour guide. For providing the service fee will be further negotiated by the original tour guide and the designated. Next report po.
So, third, My Pro Guide is a platform that tour guide and tourists may use to contact each other. Tour guide and tourists are not allowed to use different platforms to contact each other when they already match, to avoid misconception and personal engaging and other transaction outside the channel. Number 4, before the service was made, tourists and tour guides need to fully understand the rules and regulations because when the service was made, all their actions are important. Their actions already have responsibilities. But as my pro guide rules, it allows to take a legal investigation and provide an important information to help assessing and fix the occurred problem. Number 5, if tourists make a serious violation, my pro guide will permanently remove tourists' right to use platform to avoid repeating violations. Next slide po. Next slide, please. Feedback and mechanism. And feedback mechanism, my pro guide allow tourists and tour guide to ask questions and give an answer to each other, as well as giving an evaluation at the end of the service, so that other people will have a reference and ideas about the tour guide or about the tourist. For engagement, feedback mechanism is important and helpful because both tourist and tour guide benefit to each other. The more positive the review, the more engagement. Number 7, free for use of platform. Number 1, before the tourists use my platform, my ProGuide platform, tourists basically register their information first so they have an access and they see the price of the services that tour guide list itself. My ProGuide is like other platform like Lazada or Shein apps before we see the price of the product list there and also use the features of the product, we need to register our information first, like name, address, etc. 2. My pro guide prohibited tour guides to list an amount below to the standard price of the service. It's because my pro guide avoid competition between tour guides.
Any price that below to the standard price, which is 35 USD, won't launch by the platform. My Pro Guide is still a business, even if it's just a platform, so it needs to be fair for all the tour guides. Number 3. For every services that purchase, my Pro Guide will charge 28% as total fees as commission for the use of platform. Just like what I've said a while ago, my Pro Guide is still a business. It also needs a profit or revenue, and it's only earned through the commission it gets from the services that purchased by the customer. Example, if you paid 10,000 USD for the whole services, 2,800 USD will go to the platform, and the rest 7,200 USD will be given to the tour guide. Number 4. Next slide, please. Number 4. Tourists should pay all the total amount of purchased services via my ProGuide third-party payment provided. My ProGuide allows tourists to file an objection or contact them within 24 hours if there a problem happen. But if tourists didn't pay or didn't comply, the platform continue to purchase the said services. So you as a tourist, you who purchased the services, if you encountered a problem, don't hesitate to contact the service, the server or the server as soon as possible. Number 5, if the tourist file an objection and request a refund, the tour guide are responsible to return the amount. But as a platform rules and regulation, the said refund shall not exceed 50% of the total fee. Example, if I canceled the service without any proper reason and I purchased the service amounting 10,000 USD, I will no longer get the whole 10,000 USD. Instead, I will get 50% of it, or just 5,000 USD. My Pro Guide number 6. My Pro Guide platform does not allow tourists and tour guide to have an a transaction outside the platform. Private all tourists and tour guide that commit violations will automatically cancelled and and need to pay 100 USD as a compensation based on the platform. Number 7, all the prices that tourists see and list in the platform are all related to the service provided by the tour guide. Tour guide are not allowed to increase or decrease based on the standard price without any reason. But my Pro Guide allowed tourists to give an extra tip for some tour guide. Next slide, please.
Eight, all necessary service fees or processing fees arising out of using MyProGuide will be solely and fully borne by MyProGuide. 9. Upon the completion of the service, the invoice stating fee for use of platforms as item. 2. 28% of total service fees within tax as price. And 3. Tour guide's name as title will be issued to tour guide upon completion of the service. 10. MyProGuide reverses the right to adjust and modify all the fees. 8. Mechanism for return of the service fees. 1. Tourist is entitled to apply for reimbursement for any reasons, inclusive of the contents of the service within 24 hours upon the completion of the service. Reimbursement amount should be negotiated by TG and tourist. Reimbursement amount, however, cannot exceed 50% of service fees. Next po. 2. No matter how much return amount of the service fees, MyProGuide will not return for fees for use of platform if tourist and tour guide negotiate the return of the service fees. 3. Both parties may negotiate to proceed the service in some other times if the service cannot be provided as a result of force majeure, such as act of God or any turbulence. Tourists may submit an application within 3 days upon the completion of force majeure, and MyProGuide may return the relevant fees to tourists upon confirmation. 4. If your tour guide is absent by any reasons without cancel the service before 24 hours of the start time, tour guide will be Charge 100% of the total service fees to compensate the loss of my ProGuide platform and tourists. Next po. 9. Privacy Protection Policy. With respect to the collection and utilization of data of tour guide and tourists, MyProGuide, according to the Privacy Personal Information Protection Act and this Privacy Protection Policy, has enforced relevant protection measures. However, the user of MyProGuide should be kindly informed that please do not disclose your personal information, accounts, contact methods via any ways in order to avoid any illegal utilization or collection of information and any violation of relevant laws. 10. Others. 1. Tour guide from MyProGuide is represent MyProGuide. If there is any possible to ruin or influence any reputation of from tour guide must pay back to MyProGuide USD dollars 10,000. 2. If any other policy which did not mention above will follow Taiwan law. Next po.